Khan. I'm in my 8th semester in IBA. Right now, I'm doing my major in marketing. Uh, so I've always loved baking. Like I think as long as I can remember, and I actually used to have a gas oven at home, which I was really really afraid of. So my first time I started baking, it used to be with my khala in her own oven or in a microwave oven, and then my passion just grew, and I knew I always wanted to do something, but I was kind of always really really afraid of it. And then I had a course September 2019. It was journalism from Miss Saman Ghani Khan. She's also an instructor at IBA. So in our first or second class, I think she showed us a video of some entrepreneurs who started their business and how they had to face through difficulties. And she was like, her door is open to anyone who wants to come and talk to her. So I just, randomly said, "Okay, this is something कि मुझे करना है कभी." And फिर वहाँ से हमारी बात शुरू हुई, and 2 weeks later, I just launched it. So when I started, I wasn't even sure कि if I wanted my page to be a blog of just food blog or I wanted it to be a business. And then I didn't launch specifically. I had 2 3 posts of 2 3 things. So cheesecake, and there were cookies. So people in IBA only were the one who started ordering first. So like 2 3 people ordered and they liked it, and then they spread the name to their friends, and then they ordered. And then whenever I posted a new picture of something, someone was already in my DMs who say, "Okay, can we order this?" So I would start with single batches, and when I had orders open, I would just post on my stories, "Okay, I'm taking orders for this and that." And I would also post on girls group of IBA, and from there it just grew. I'm on
In-person
Instagram
channels.
and Facebook, and those are the only 2 channels that I'm on. जहाँ
Briefly,
तक branding की बात है, right now I only have my stickers and cards वगैरह. I have not yet launched my own packaging yet. Maybe I'll do it this year. And like बाकी जो packaging वगैरह होती है, I got to know retailers in paper market, and that's where I get my stuff from now. My own kitchen, I still do it in my own kitchen. Initially, when orders started pouring in, there was my classes as well, and I had classes from like morning to evening. So I used to be really busy. I took like very limited amount of orders even when they were started flowing in, and like I used to bake when I came back from university. So it was kind of hard in the start to manage it with uni and everything, but then lockdown came and it was very easy. See, food has always been something that motivates me, right? And then making food, because I feel like I'm happy when I bake, and then when I'm baking it for others, because even before Flower Girl, whenever I used to bake, I would do it for my family, for my friends, and they would be happy. So that would make me happy. One major factor in my motivation was all the reviews that I got. So like I hardly ever got a bad review, and everyone used to be like, this is the best cheesecake we've had. People compared me to a lot of well-known places. Like I think lockdown was the reason my business grew so much, because I had the time and people had the will to order. Pre-lockdown, I my customer base was mainly IBF, and it was very small. Post lockdown, I expanded to all over Karachi. लॉकडाउन में थोड़े बहुत मसले हुए थे. Like lotus got very expensive. So like let's say if I got a bottle for 1,000 first, so when shortage happened, I had to pay 1500 1600 for that same bottle. uh, it was very expensive, but so I rose my prices a bit. But now I have special retailers that get them from me. So जो काम ही यही करते हैं import वाला. So like I get it from them, not the market. So जो market
अच्छा
की
मेरे
shortage
मतलब
होती है, that doesn't affect me. So lockdown से पहले I had trouble delivering. That was the main reason my market was only in IBA, क्योंकि IBA में मैं खुद लेके आती थी. All over Karachi mein, I had no delivery rider, and I used to ask my relatives or someone if they had a delivery guy, और बहुत मसला होता था. Lockdown में I think a friend told me, so there were some delivery riders who were free and who were looking for work. So I hired them to do my work, और फिर वो आराम से like they used to deliver all over Karachi. यार financially नहीं, I financed this all myself, alhamdulillah. uh, it's obviously not possible for me to bake everything myself and then stay motivated every day and then do all of my work and my classes and my other responsibilities. My brother used to help me when the orders weren't much, but now I have hired help who comes in whenever I need to bake, and then they come at a specific time. I do have a sheet. Like obviously, a business cannot run without Excel. So when I initially started, and I didn't even plan for it to grow, and I wasn't expecting it well. So my costing initially was with very low profit, and it took me much later to realize that like what I am doing is okay if I'm doing it for a few times, but in long run that was not sustainable. So I had to increase my prices. I had to redo everything I was doing before, and I explained it to my customers well, and like, I don't think I faced any issues then. I don't open slots for everything every day. I have certain slots, and if like I do accommodate people if they tell me beforehand कि we would want this for this specific day, तो फिर I do accommodate them. But अगर कोई last minute पे आ रहा है कि मुझे आज यही चाहिए, and you know I don't have slots open for that, so I'd kindly tell them, okay, you can order it for tomorrow or day after. Obviously, it's a home-based business. One person cannot manage everything, and like I can't have everything baked every day. वो तो फिर products भी खराब होंगे. So I've added products and I've deleted products as well. Any home-based business, it requires passion because when you're doing it commercially, आपको इतना involved नहीं होना पड़ता. It's mostly about profit. But when you're doing something at home, it takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of time. And if you do not have that passion, it won't work out. Then you cannot stay motivated. And I get demotivated too. I honestly do. I have my days. And my friends remind me why I started this and how far I've come. And I feel like, yeah, that's okay. Like we can go ahead too, inshallah. I think I've gotten better at Excel. um, Baking में तो like there's always a new skill that's being developed whenever you try to make a new recipe. बाकी like after lockdown, I it requires a lot of patience to
Yeah.
handle. So I don't mean what exactly you mean in terms of skill. Like I developed a better understanding of how to use social media. My photography definitely got better. Uh, I kind of have a knack to deal with writers now, जो मुझे पहले बहुत मुश्किल लगता था. और when I was a child, I used to watch my khala and phupho bake a lot. Okay, but what they baked then and what I bake now are very very different things. लेकिन passion वहाँ से develop हुआ और उसके बाद I can kind of tell when a recipe is not right. I don't know, say the sixth sense or something. So like लोगों को होता है ना वो YouTube videos देखते हैं and then they're just in the kitchen to do that or it ends up a disaster.
Yeah.
So that doesn't happen with me because Alhamdulillah I can kind of tell कि नहीं ये recipe सही नहीं है or something. It's just fresh. Customizations में so sometimes people ask me कि उन्हें buttercream cake चाहिए होता है, like that's usually the thing people ask for customizations, but I don't make buttercream or fondant. It's just something that I don't like, so I don't make it. So then I kindly refer them to someone else who does. But with me, my product will remain the same. If you want to add things to it, like if you want to add a topper or a note, personalized note, or a card or flowers or something to that I can add. I'd be happy to add. What I believe my unique selling point is कि एक तो I'm very accommodating. दूसरा ये कि my prices are one which are not over the top for the same product and the same quality. So if you look around for good quality cheesecakes, they will cost you a lot. I think apart from expense, the one reason people keep coming back to a food business is because they like the taste. Financially, my finance is not that strong to be honest. But if you're asking like if I've invested plans again in my business, yes, I make social media plans, and so basically when I was doing social media management and I was doing digital marketing, social media marketing and digital marketing, and now I'm also doing marketing analytics. I would say कि listen to your instinct. अगर आपको है कि आपको एक चीज अच्छी आती है, ठीक है, तो do not try to fall of just apart from the crowd. If you like something, then go for it. And honestly, I've seen my friends working corporate jobs, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but they work a lot more harder, and then they get rewarded much less than doing your own business, like even at the initial stages. So then imagine like if the business grows, तो फिर वो कहाँ हो? So I know like not everyone has the funding or has the health, moral or emotional to start their own thing, but I'd say go for it. I do not have a really good network. Like I'm not too social of a person, but when I started, you have more people supporting you than you think you do. So when you start a business, people try to spread the word, and then you can also promote your own self by posting on Facebook groups, some of which you'll be a part of, and you can post on food groups as well, your university groups, your friends, and they'll help spread the word. I have, and it was initially, but now it's being overused. Yeah, and it also depends on the influencers you're sending it to. So I've had both of the influencers. Some who give, they put their heart and effort into promoting your business, and then there's some they would just post a single story and not even a proper review, and that would be it. So you have to choose wisely कि आपके को भेज है अपनी चीज, if they're touchable. So I recently collaborated with Boxy Sutter, right? So it wasn't Manu is behind. So I didn't know her personally. Lekin I talked to her pehle. I've done a giveaway with her bahut pehle bhi. And it just I hit her up on Instagram. Then we started talking, and that's where it grew.
So was these collaborations useful?
So with Manu, yes, definitely. It was fruitful both financially and for my page. With those two that Stretchwise series, I am not so sure if they were helpful. That
Anam, what do you think? Is influencer marketing a better way, or Instagram marketing, or sponsoring the post on Instagram?
sponsoring, definitely sponsoring. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so Facebook ad manager जो होता है, that's very effective, and that's also for Instagram too. Like Instagram has their own platform, and then there is one from Facebook, जो कि Instagram पे भी run करता है. तो वो वाला ज़्यादा effective होता है. You're right. Like मुझे देखते हुए honestly डर लगता है कभी-कभी because I'm giving them out. Lekin it was kind of the reason why I started in the first place, because I wanted to share those recipes as well. Or फिर it's like it's a way of me giving back to the community. I do want to see it grow. I do have plans to make it grow. I'm confused about two three options. Like I also wanted to open an outfit, but I'm not sure if that's profitable. Like I'm doing my research on this topic because I know people who have opened their own outlets. So I'm still in the process of deciding even should we have definitely a plan to grow, but exactly in which direction we have decided. I actually had an investment offer this time, and there was someone who wanted to open a business with me on fair equity basis, but I said no to them because I'm honestly scared that once my recipe gets out, it gets out, and like that recipe, that is my very own, it's crucial, very crucial to the business. So even if I do open something in the future, I do not plan to do it with a partner, at least an outside partner. Like maybe I can partner with someone that I personally know. Of course. Yeah, honestly, आप चीजें खुद कर रहे हो तो I think the most support you need from friends or family is कि वो आपको encourage करे and that they're there for you. You know that I do have them. Alhamdulillah, I do have them. Like,
Thank you so much, Anam, for letting us
thank
interview
you.
you. It was so interesting, and like we took up a lot
Thank
of your
you.
time.
I'm honored.
Thank you so much for choosing us. And
For choosing
It's
us,
not an issue.
for sure.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's worth it.
definitely.